Hi there. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can record your PowerPoint presentations and create a video out of it. Hi, this is Josh from Vmaker and let's get started. If you were to send your presentation to someone and they had to go through it without you explaining it to them, there are high chances that they wouldn't understand it thoroughly or they could even miss out on some of the contents of the presentation. And that's where a video of your presentation can come in really handy. Now, the easiest way to create a video out of your presentation is by using an app like Vmaker. Let me tell you what Vmaker is. Vmaker is an app that lets you record your screen, webcam, and audio together. Now, using the screen recording feature of Vmaker, you can create a video out of your presentation and easily share it with others. To get started with Vmaker, the first thing that you'll have to do is install Vmaker. To do that, open www.vmaker.com. Click on the Sign Up Now button on the top right side of the website. You can choose to sign up using your Google account or your Facebook account, or you can also sign up using your email ID. I'm going to be signing up using my Google account over here. Once you have successfully signed up, you will be taken to the Vmaker dashboard where you can see the button to download Vmaker for Mac. When you click on it, the DMG file for installation will be automatically downloaded. When the download is complete, click on the DMG file to initiate the installation process. Once the installation process is complete, you will be shown another window where you simply need to drag and drop Vmaker into the application folder to complete the installation process as shown in this video. Once the installation is complete, click on Finder and click on the application folder. You will be able to see Vmaker installed over here. Click on the Vmaker icon to launch Vmaker. When you launch Vmaker, your Mac might ask you permission to open the app. Click on Open to proceed. Once the app is open, you have the option to select from recording your screen and audio, or webcam and audio, or screen, webcam and audio. All you have to do is select screen and click on Start Recording. Once the recording starts, all you have to do is open your presentation and start presenting. Hi everyone, this is Josh from Vmaker. This is a sample presentation recording. Upgrading to the paid plan will allow you to use the mouse annotation feature and help you create some really engaging and detailed videos. You can also choose from 5 different colors for your mouse annotations. When you're done with the presentation, to stop the recording, all you have to do is click on the stop recording icon on the left hand side of your screen. Your video now automatically gets uploaded to the Vmaker cloud storage. Depending on the length of the video, the upload time may vary. Once the video has uploaded, you will be able to edit the video on Vmaker itself. When you're done with the editing, you can share the video with anyone using the Vmaker link. You can also download the video and save it to your device. Here's the video that I just recorded, and as you can clearly see, it's the easiest way to create a video out of any presentation. Hi everyone, this is Josh from Vmaker. This is a sample presentation recording. The best part about Vmaker is that it's a free app and there are no limitations to the recording duration, and there are no watermarks as well. So go ahead and record your presentations for free on Vmaker. I hope this video was useful for you. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.